Hey there, car enthusiasts! Let's talk about those car sounds that you should definitely keep an ear out for, especially that squealing noise that seems to come from under the hood. You know, cars make all sorts of sounds, and some are just part of the package. But picture this. It's like a high-pitched squeal that greets you when you start your car or hit the gas pedal on the highway. What's that all about? Well, it's connected to something called a serpentine belt, or your car might have a series of belts. This trusty belt is responsible for powering your power steering pump and a few other important parts. Over time though, it can get stretched out or heated up, and that's when the squealing enters the scene. But here's the thing, if that belt decides to snap, it could make your car unsafe to drive. No one wants that, right? So here's the friendly advice. Don't ignore it. Take your car to a mechanic. The good news is that replacing these belts is usually an easy and budget-friendly fix. So the next time you hear that sound, you'll know what's going on and how to take care of it. Vision 0. Be a Truby hero.